This class I'm going to show you how to create this dental payment clinic which uses CheckBox, and then we're going to do some error handling to show you how we do the validations. Okay, we'll start with a new project. Alright, I'm going to call this project dental payment. And then we click on OK. Alright, here is my form. Now in the form I have the name of the patient and 3 check boxes and 1 button to do the calculation. So I'm going to add checkbox. Let's add the text box first. Here's a text box, that's for the name. Let's add some label. Let's add check boxes. Here's 1. And let's add a button. Okay. Alright. Now we'll just repeat these things. Okay, so control copy, we'll do control V, control V. These are the 3 check boxes. This today is the computer is slow. I have no idea why, but it's slow. Okay, so here's my check boxes. I need also labels for the prices of each service provided. So control copy. I'm going to do control V, control V, control V, and control V for the total, and control V for the total output. Okay, let's start with this one. This is called what? Name of the patient. The text box is called what? TXT name. Then the checkbox label is what? What's the checkbox label? The name, let's change the name to say CHK. What? This one is cleaning, right? And then the name is, the text box should say, the label, the output should say cleaning. Okay? Same thing with this. This should say what? Cavity filling, right? This one should say X-ray. And since we are here, let's change also the text name, the checkbox, to what? CHK, X-ray, and this one CHK filling. Alright, now the prices for this one, the name is of the label, we're going to call this label what? Label cleaning. And this is, the value of this is what? Let's just do this one first. Then this one is what? Label filling. This one is what? Label X-ray. Let's pause it because one of the students is telling me I have a mistake. Okay, there is mistake. We found the mistake in the naming. It should say LBL cleaning. Alright. Now we name this LBL filling, LBL X-ray. Now how about the text for this? Should say what's the value for cleaning is, according to the book, $35. Okay, so we'll put 35. How about here? How much is this? 150. And then this one is what? 85. This is the total, and this is a label, output label. So I'm going to call this, the text is nothing. Label cleaning, yeah. And then here is label total for the total, and then let's make this to auto size to false, and where is the property? Let's make this auto size to false, and then border style. This mouse is driving me crazy. I think it's from the mouse or it's from me, one of the two. Border style is what? Border style fixed 3D. Okay? So we've done the design, and then the last thing is this one here. The text of this one should say what? Total. Okay, or calculate. Okay? Clear? Alright. Now we're ready to do the calculation. Now, to do the calculation, we need to check if they check this, then we take 35 and add it to the total. If they check this, we take 150 and add it to the total. And if they check this, we take 85 and add it to the total. And at the end, we just display the total. So I'm going to define a variable called dim total as integer because I don't have decimals. Okay? I'll do the error provider later on. Okay? The validation. Then we check if check what? Cleaning dot checked equal to true. That means what? That means that the user selected cleaning, right? So we need to add 35 to the total, or take the value from the form and add it to the total. So we say total equal total plus what? Label value of LBL what? Filling or cleaning, right? Dot text. What? The next one is what? The next one we need to do the other one, the cavity, right? The filling. So I'll do the same thing. I'll say if check filling dot checked equal to what? To true. Then we need to do the same thing. Total equal total. There's another way to do that. You can put plus equal, which is the same thing. Total equal add. What do we want to do? Label or value of label filling, right? Dot text. Okay. All right. Then we do the same thing for the other one.